A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Maurene Comey, a prominent prosecutor in the Jeffrey Epstein case, was abruptly fired from her position at the Manhattan U.S. Attorney's Office. This dismissal has sparked a wave of controversy and concern over the implications for justice and independent prosecutorial decisions. Comey, who has been at the forefront of high-profile cases, including those against Epstein and his accomplice Ghislaine Maxwell, penned a heartfelt farewell note to her colleagues, suggesting that her termination was part of a broader pattern of intimidation and suppression of independent thought by what she described as a tyrant. In her note, Comey warned that if a career prosecutor can be dismissed without cause, it could instill fear in those who remain in their positions. She urged her colleagues not to let fear dictate their actions, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a commitment to justice, particularly for victims of abuse. This situation has unfolded against the backdrop of increased scrutiny on President Donald Trump, who has faced mounting pressure to release files related to the Epstein investigation. Just hours before Comey's firing, Trump took to social media to lash out at Republicans advocating for the release of these documents, labeling their efforts as a scam and dismissing the Epstein case as a hoax. The timing of Comey's dismissal raises questions about the influence of political pressures on the Justice Department, particularly in cases involving high-profile individuals. Trump's ongoing feud with Comey's father, former FBI Director James Comey, who was famously fired by Trump in 2017, adds another layer of complexity to this situation. Maurene Comey's termination has drawn criticism from various quarters, including supporters of Trump who have expressed dissatisfaction with Attorney General Pam Bondi's decision not to disclose additional evidence related to the Epstein case. The financier, who was found dead in his jail cell in August 2019, was facing serious federal charges at the time of his death, which has only intensified public interest in the details of the investigation. As this story develops, many are left wondering about the future of prosecutorial independence and the potential chilling effects of political interference in the judicial process. Comey's impassioned plea for her colleagues to remain steadfast in their pursuit of justice resonates with those who fear that the integrity of the legal system is at stake. The implications of her firing, combined with the ongoing debate over the Epstein files, underscore the delicate balance between politics and justice in the current landscape. As the nation watches closely, the fallout from this incident may have lasting repercussions for the Justice Department and its commitment to uphold the rule of law. In the wake of this controversy, it is crucial to consider the broader implications for accountability and transparency in cases that involve powerful figures. The public's demand for answers regarding the Epstein case continues to grow, and the actions of the Justice Department will be scrutinized as never before. As we move forward, the question remains, will justice prevail, or will fear and political maneuvering undermine the very foundation of our legal system? That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.